Hey everyone, welcome back to Food and Fun channel. Today we're diving into the world of seafood, the classic favorite, garlic butter shrimp scampi. It's quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. Before we dive into the cooking process, let's quickly go over the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: shrimp, 1 pound, peeled and deveined. Pasta, 8 ounces, spaghetti or linguine. Butter, 4 tablespoons, unsalted. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Garlic, 4 cloves, minced. White wine, 1/2 cup or chicken broth. Lemon, 1 juiced and zested. Red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon, optional for a little kick. Fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons chopped. Salt and pepper to taste. Grated Parmesan cheese for garnish, optional. All right, with our ingredients ready, let's jump right in. First, we'll cook our pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. While that's going, let's prepare our shrimp. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil and 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Once the butter has melted, add in the minced garlic. Saute the garlic for about 1 minute or until fragrant. Be careful not to burn it. Now let's add our shrimp. Cook the shrimp for about 1 to 2 minutes on each side or until they turn pink. Once done, remove them and set them aside. Pour in the white wine and let it simmer until it's reduced by half. This will deglaze the pan and pick up all those delicious flavors. Now let's add the remaining butter, lemon juice, zest, and red pepper flakes. Stir well. Return the shrimp back to the pan and toss them in the sauce. Add in the cooked pasta and give everything a good mix. Finish off with some fresh parsley and, if you like, a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. A simple yet flavorful garlic butter shrimp scampi, perfect for weeknight dinners or special occasions. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.